Dear student, welcome. Today we are going to discuss about main components of internal combustion engine. The combustion takes place inside the engine, so it is known as internal combustion engine. The main components of internal combustion engine, first one, one of the main components, cylinder. Cylinder usually made by using cast iron for ordinary engine. And aluminum alloys and steel alloys made by using aluminum alloys or steel alloys. Aluminum alloys for heavy duty engine. Heavy duty engine. Okay. It is made by using cast iron for ordinary engine. Steel alloys or aluminum alloys for the heavy duty engine. It is surrounded by a water jacket. These two places, water jacket, surrounded by a water jacket. To cool the engine, the heat produced by the to and from movement of the piston and combustion chamber process. Piston moving to and fro in order to produce the power in the engine. And then next, the cylinder closed by a cylinder head. Cylinder head having inlet and exhaust port and spark plug in petrol engine and fuel injector in the diesel engine. And the next important part of the and heart of the internal combustion engine is piston. Piston made by using aluminum alloys. Piston made by using aluminum alloys. For low weight and high strength. Low weight and high strength. Piston transfer the energy in the combustion process to the connecting rod. Transfer the energy from combustion chamber to the connecting rod. Piston having two rings, upper ring and lower ring. These piston rings are made by using special steel alloys. To withstand the elastic property. During high temperature. The upper ring used to provide the airtight sealing to avoid the leakage of air and fuel mixture in the petrol engine and air in the diesel engine. Avoid the leakage of air and fuel mixture and burnt gases. The lower ring provide the airtight sealing to avoid the leakage of lubrication oil in the crankcase. And the next important part, connecting rod. Connecting rod converts the rotary motion, reciprocating motion of the piston to the rotary motion of the crankshaft. The special design is required to design the connecting rod because the connecting rod is subjected to bending stress, compressive stress and tensile stress. It is made by using special steel alloys or aluminum alloys. Special steel alloys or aluminum alloys. So a special design is required because it is subject to compressive, tensile and bending stress. And the next, crankshaft. Crankshaft, it is the backbone of the internal combustion engine. It is having some eccentric part is known as crank. The crank is connected to the connecting rod, big end of the connecting rod, by using crank pin. It is made by using crankshaft, made by using special alloys. Special alloys. It is a backbone of the internal combustion engine. Backbone of IC. And the next, crankcase. Crankcase, it is the sump for the lubricating oil. The bottom is known as bed, which is connected to the base plate by using bolt and nut. Lubricating oil sump. And flywheel made by using high strength steel or composite material. Flywheel store the excess energy in the power stroke and utilize it for ideal strokes or remaining strokes. It is used for the maintain the constant speed in the engine. Next one is camshaft. Camshaft made by using material cast iron camshaft. Made by using cast iron or steel. The projected part in the camshaft is known as cam, which is used to convert rotary motion to the reciprocating motion. Transfer the rotary motion to the reciprocating motion. It is used for open and closed of the inlet and exhaust valves. Okay, these are the important components of internal combustion engine. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous mechanical lecture series. Thank you.